Ha! Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is working really well, really quickly. There's a common misconception propagated by both marketing companies and cleaning product manufacturers that you need a dedicated cleaner for absolutely everything you do in your home. Well, I'm here to tell you that you absolutely do not, and I'm going to prove that with a little bit of cleaning science. You see, cleaning products are either acidic, alkaline or solvent based. So I went and I bought 3 key cleaning ingredients, all eco-friendly, natural and environmentally safe, and I made some cleaning products with them. Half a litre of my bathroom cleaner cost me about 5 to 10 cents to make, and it's way better than the product that I got in the supermarket for doing the same thing. I spent about €20, which is about $25, and I've got about 5 years worth of cleaning supplies, and I've binned everything else that was in my cupboard. I've spent all day testing homemade eco-friendly products that I made this morning, cleaning my entire house. So far I've cleaned the bath, the hob, the sink, the toilet, and I'm about to test a new mix on removing all of this limescale from this shower screen. You're going to need 2 things to do this: some white vinegar and some isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. Now, if I've done my research correctly, this should cut through the limescale for 2 reasons. The IPA is going to cut through the grease and the vinegar is going to cut through the limescale. So the 2 of them combined should make a really powerful but also really cheap cleaning product that you're going to be able to remove all of the limescale from your bathroom with really quickly and easily. So I'm going to mix up. I'm going to go for a 20% vinegar mix, so that's 100 mils. And to that, I want about 5% IPA, so about 50 mils in the mix. I'm going to add a couple of drops of dish soap just to act as a binder for everything. And then I'm going to fill my bottle up to about 500 mils with water. If you want this to smell a little bit nicer, go ahead and put some essential oils into it too. It doesn't really bother me, I just want the product to work. So again, this is my first time using it. The chemistry is all right, but let's just see how we get on. Okie dokie. I'm gonna grab a magic eraser, but a microfiber towel should do it. And let's just see. Ha! Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is working really well, really quickly, which is fantastic. So, I'm just gonna rinse off this top bit so you can see how well it's working. And here is what I can see now. You can see the line there where all the hard water starts again. And that took, guys, that took like 20 seconds. So I'm just going to reapply. So you can see here where the grease and detergent residue from showering is what's making it difficult for the vinegar to get through to actually remove the hard water. So all of these little bits here, you can just see, they are what the rubbing alcohol is helping break down to actually get to the mineralized bits on the glass. So my homemade limescale remover was insanely effective. Equally as effective were my homemade bathroom and kitchen cleaners. I also made an oven and hob cleaner, all of which were super effective, super cheap, environmentally friendly, and using only 3 ingredients. All my recipes and experiments are going into the playlist appearing on the screen right about now. Subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified the next time I upload a video, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, fire them down below.